All right, guys, today's warm-up, I wanted to give you information. I want us to work on vertical parabolas and have them be written in vertex form. So the first question, it says, given the focus is 3, -2, and the directrix is y equals -8, I need you to formulate the parabola in vertex form. So that's going to look like this. Y is equal to some number, x, you're going to have a number here, squared, and then a number here on the outside. And we need to figure that out. So the first thing we need to do is figure out where the vertex is given this information right here. So I'm going to do a quick sketch. And I've got 3, -2, 1, 2, 3, -1, 2. There's our coordinate point for the focus. So that means if my focus is up here, I need to figure out where the directrix is at -8. So I'm 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And your directrix is right here. So that means that my graph is going to open upward. So there's going to be a positive number here, +1 over whatever the length of our lattice rectum is. So what I need to do is figure out the middle distance between the focus and the directrix. So from here, I'm at -2, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units right there. So I'm going to go down 3 from the focus. So here, 1, 2, 3, down 1, 2, then go down 3 more. 1, 2, 3. There's my coordinate point at 1, 2, 3, -1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have my vertex. So that's going to be x -3 -5. So now what I need to do is figure out what the length of my lattice rectum is. So I'm going to take this right here. I should go down 1, 2, 3 units here, up 1, 2, 3 units there. So if I know that this is 3 and that's 3, I'm going to take 3, multiply it by 4. That's going to give me the length of my lattice rectum, which is 12. So how far do I go left and right from the focus? I'm going to take that distance right there and divide it by 2. And that's going to be how far I go left and right from the focus. So 12 divided by 2 is 6. Back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's a coordinate point there. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's another coordinate point here. My graph looks something like this. And that's what my equation is if I'm given information. So given a focus and a directrix, you need to graph them both, find out what's between them, and that gets you the vertex. From there, if you take the distance between the vertex and the focus and you multiply it by 4, that's going to get you the distance of your lattice rectum, which is this part right here. If you cut that number in half, that's going to get you how far you go left and right. We go to the next question. If I give you a graph without giving you what the axis symmetry is, without giving you what the directrix is, only giving you a graph where you have to find some information, we have to first find the vertex. Well, the vertex here is at -1, 2, 3, 4, up 1. So -4, 1. Then what I do is I just count out the length of the lattice rectum. So here's the focus right here. And here's my endpoint. So I go over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I know that the lattice rectum is 8. Then I have to figure out, does this thing open up or down? It opens down. So my equation is y equals -1/8 x plus 4 squared plus 1. And that's how you find the equation based off of the graph, and how you find the equation based off of just information without a graph, where you have to create one. That takes care of our warm-up for today.